Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are back with another teaser, you can say, yes, and this is Drishyam 2
This is a
official teaser.
very well weighted video,
right,
you can say.
yes.
I am very much happy.
Yes, and I think
Drishyam
people have loved Drishyam
loved
1.
Drishyam
So
1. That is why
was
their
amazing.
expectation is,
And now-
on the peak.
Yes, I think their expectation is very much with this movie as
Yes,
well.
yes,
So,
definitely. That is why
yes.
we are also very excited.
Right.
Whenever we saw, heard that Drishyam 2 official teaser got released, we were like, oh
We were
my god,
excited.
we were
The
excited.
Drishyam 1 was a different level of content.
Different level of content, मतलब क्या? ये it is
Mind-storming.
a epic movie.
Yes.
Okay, the movie which can write history. I think Drishyam is like that movie.
Right.
Okay, and Drishyam 2 भी वैसा ही होने वाला है.
Of
We are
course.
thinking. So चलिए
have
देखते हैं ये trailer
we have
teaser.
Mohanlal.
Sorry, now we have
Yes.
Mohanlal sir, Jethu Joseph.
Joseph.
And this is a Amazon original movie has published this
Yes,
teaser. So
this
maybe
movie will going
get
to release
released
on
in Amazon Prime.
Yeah.
Okay, that is good. Amazon Prime में रिलीज होने वाली है,
At
घर
least
पे
we'll
बैठ
be
के
able
देख
to
सकते हैं. ओके, सो चलिए देखते हैं. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड आल्सो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल. प्लीज लाइक कर दीजिए वीडियो को एंड शेयर कर दीजिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ, फैमिली के साथ, सबके साथ. तो चलिए मिलके देखते हैं.
Right.
Wow, I'm having some positive vibes. ആശീർവാദ്.
ഇല്ല സാർ, ഞാനൊരിക്കലും പോലീസുകാരെ വിഡ്ഢികളായി കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. മറിച്ച് ജനങ്ങളുടെ സംരക്ഷകരായി മാത്രമേ കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ളൂ. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ സാറും ഈ പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷനും എന്നെ സംരക്ഷിക്കുമെന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു.
That old movie dialogue, I think.
Yeah, yes. So they're dragging that movie only. They're like, oh my god, this is great.
Same police officer. No secrets. That time it will be,
Wow, it will reveal. Oh my god. Wow, I'm getting goosebumps, man. It's done, right?
wow, yes.
Wow.
I
Oh,
think,
that means
we
that
are
time.
we are going to witness a great thrill kind of
Great
movie. Yes.
thrill. I think this is probably will be the best thing in 2021.
I think, and when it is going to release,
When it is going to release, they have not told, right? No, they have not disclosed that thing.
yes.
Yes, they have
I don't
not
think
told.
so.
I think we
It's
have
not
to
written yet.
continuously have to focus on internet that when
Yes,
the movie
right.
is going to be released.
Right.
After that, I think trailer will be released after this
I think
teaser.
before it get remaked in other in Bollywood, you can say so. Before that, we are going to see this movie.
Definitely, man, definitely. And my god, like that time it didn't get revealed. Now it is the time to get it revealed.
Right.
Like
So
that
I think,
it was
there
saying,
will
na.
be lot of suspense and lot of different
Suspense.
type of.
I think
thing
they
be
will
there.
they will take the tail of that old movie and they are creating another
Dragging
content,
that.
dragging that
Yes.
scene. And I really love this fact that yes, दृश्यम 1 का भी वो चीज़ को लेके मतलब इट इज़ लुकिंग लाइक अ कंप्लीट क्या बोलते हैं एक घटना हमको लगेगा कि हाँ ये घटना
Total
पहले हुआ
incident.
टोटल इंसिडेंट दैट इंसिडेंट हैज हैपेंड एंड सेकेंडली दिस इंसिडेंट इज
Both will
हैपनिंग
be
सो
relatable.
relatable
So I think before watching the second part, everybody have to watch the first part.
was yes definitely
Yes,
I
that
think
is
people have
mandatory
already
thing.
told seen
No, but
already
it
Drishyam
happens
1.
like sometimes people didn't got
True.
any chance to watch this
ha.
movie, but suddenly he realized that
Realize,
Drishyam 2 is
yeah.
getting released,
That
so
is
they
true.
have to watch Drishyam 2. So, but before this, you have to watch Drishyam 1 also.
What I think, what do you think about what will be the context? What I think I'll first tell, okay? What I'm thinking, like that body which he has buried just underneath
Under
the
the police
station, no?
Yeah.
I think something will be happened, like the case will be reopened, and that lady police officer whose son he
Whose
was,
son, yeah.
she will again fight back, and I think somewhat like it will be revealed that yes, he is the only culprit and he has done something wrong with his with her son. And after that I think he will be again imagining something and he will be telling another story to make him innocent,
Yeah.
to prove him innocent. Maybe what
something-
I'm thinking, like it can be a story, because Drishyam means oh rahega hi, visualization, and that his eyes at the last it was showing, no.
I think
so wo
at the
rahega.
last part of that first part movie, he told that he's no more, something he told like that, right?
I know that police
I think
officers are not idiot. I respect police officers, and they are always doing great
that
for
was
the
last
society,
part,
like something
yes,
he was
that
telling.
was the last part. But before that, before that, he revealed to that mother, that
Mother.
police woman, right?
Policewoman,
Yes,
हाँ.
they meet at some lonely place.
हाँ,
empty
मतलब
place.
he didn't
That time.
tell that
But
I
indirectly-
killed.
But indirectly,
हाँ,
he
indirectly
told
he
that
told.
you don't need to wait for your son.
For your son, because he
Yes.
will not come
I think
back.
Taking
Correct.
that advantage, or taking
Ah.
that point, they have
Maybe.
come out with
They have
some
come
other
out with
things.
some other things. Yes, yes.
So I think that will be a great movie.
Oh my god,
And Mohanlal
I was
sir.
getting goosebumps, man. Now also I'm thinking and getting the goosebumps, because the scenario of the whole movie is really very real, very natural. This kind of incident can be happened with anyone's life, anyone's family. Okay, so
And Mohanlal sir is there, so we can expect the same kind
same kind
level
same
of
thrill,
thrillness.
same kind of thrill, same kind of action,
And
not action, like silent action.
Silent
This is
action.
called silent
He will
action.
be playing everything with his eyes. Yeah.
He is. That is why Mohanlal sir is my favorite.
Yes.
Okay, I only told in Q&A video. He is
Yeah.
superb. Okay, and one more thing, like what will be the what you are expecting to the execution, or the will this movie will be a little bit slow, or
No, I
will
don't
some
think
energy
so, because
or some
because
action will be
people-
there? What do you
people
think?
are already expecting a lot, and
हाँ.
whatever the music we have heard
हाँ,
this one,
yes.
I think little bit different from the previous
one.
Yes,
हाँ, that is what I
yes,
also am
and I
thinking.
think this will be adding much more
Much
thrill.
more thrill. हाँ,
Yes,
much
I think-
more thrill.
So I think slowness will be not there. People will have a lot of the entertainment with
Entertainment, yes. Slowness will not be there.
Yes.
I also thought
Right.
something. I think
this
it
also. I
will
think
be a
it
little
will
bit
be
different.
Different, and
from
also
the
if
first one
people
part.
might be loving the detective kind of
Detective
movies, and
kind of
also
movies. That's
they
true.
will love it. This
They
one.
will love, yes. And also Mohanlal, apart from Mohanlal sir, the lady role, the actress, she is also brilliant.
Right. She's
Okay,
a
we have
bold
already
and tough kind of character, you
Very
can say.
tough. We have already seen her movie in Bagamati, I
Yeah,
think.
right.
Na? There also she has done brilliant job, and she is very much suitable with that CBI officer or police officer, like बहुत गुस्से वाली kind of, मतलब ये मूवी क्या होने वाले है भाई? We are waiting.
Not sure,
यार.
but maybe this might get a release in January or February. I'm not sure. They haven't revealed yet.
They have not revealed yet, but
They have told
Abhay,
it's
because
coming
the
soon.
teaser has got released, no? So
Yes.
now I think after 15 days or 1 month they will release the trailer.
I
So
think
there is no
maybe
chance
during
of
Pongal
releasing
time
this movie.
it may release, or
if
Makar
that
Sankranti time
happens,
it may release. Right?
बहुत अच्छा होगा यार, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. I am waiting from today only.
Yes.
Okay, when Drishyam 2 will be released,
Yeah.
and I cannot wait myself.
Of course, we are not going
This
to
is
wait much.
epic. This is epic, man. This is
Yeah.
epic. And what about the music? There is a slow music was
That's
going
what
on
I
now.
told. Like it's having a different kind of thrill.
Thrill. Music only
yes.
we will be able to understand.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow.
So,
We really
that's
enjoyed
right.
it. Yeah. This is actually a trending video, you can say, and I think ये तहलका मचा दिया
yes, of
internet
course,
में,
of
right,
course,
Abhay?
because people
Everybody is talking
bored
about this.
since the last 2020 full 2020 year. People are too much bored, and they wanted some kind of thrill in their life.
Yes, and here also it was written like after 7 years, George Kutti is coming back.
Okay, so
George Kutti, I think his name in this movie,
Yes,
or
Mohanlal
what?
sir, I
Mohanlal
think.
sir's name, right? So he's coming back, and here is the resumption, Drishyam 2, and I really love this fact, like it is written, no?
Okay, I
7
think, after
years.
7 years, this file is going to reopen.
Reopen. The file is going to be reopened. Yes. Nice, man. This is a 1 crore out of 10.
Yes, of course.
From
Mohanlal
our
sir
side.
is there, so I can give more than 10.
More than 10.
Yeah.
Yes, very true. We can expect a lot of things. We can expect superb acting. We can expect superb expression. We can expect each and every single thing whichever is required in a movie.
Yes.
Right, Abhay? Every single thing. It is a
No doubt,
perfection
no
level.
doubt.
This movie is going to be a perfection level. That is we are thinking.
Yes.
As the Drishyam 1, and I think, and I'm hoping, rather than you can say that Drishyam 1 से भी ज़्यादा सक्सेस इस मूवी को मिले.
Yes, of course.
Right,
of
Abhay?
course. I think after the
True.
release of this movie, people from different states, they were also started running to remake this second
remake
part,
the second
because
part.
already they have remake in different languages.
Languages, yes, but we are not interested on that now. We are interested on the original content
Yes.
only, because we want to enjoy the actual action, actual
Yes.
acting, not
Right.
6-pack, 7-pack, 8-packs, okay? to be very frank. And yes, that is it for today's video. We are hoping that you have loved our reaction, and you have also loved this teaser. If you have not seen the teaser, go and check that teaser out, okay, before seeing our reaction, so that the things will be more clear.
Right.
And yes, if you like today's content, please subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video, and please share this video with your friends, family, pretty much everyone.
Don't miss it. Yeah.
So yeah, that is it. See you in our next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.